Welcome to watch the video of channelization protocols in computer networks. Channelization protocol, the accessible bandwidth of the link is split in time, frequency and code. The different types are frequency division multiple accessing FDMA, time division multiple accessing TDMA and code division multiple accessing as CDMA. Before going to discuss about the multiple access techniques, have an overview of wireless communication channels. So normally this wireless communication is a complex system with many users sharing the limited amount of bandwidth. So channelization protocols are required for managing the spaces in an efficient manner. Different types: TDMA based on the time slots it will be working, and FDMA based on the frequency band it allocates the frequency for the users. Then code division multiple access it have some unique codes that combines the method of TDMA and FDMA. Time division multiple access. Here the bandwidth is divided between multiple stations. Time sharing, so each user is assigning a specific time slot and allowing access to the channel for that particular duration only. Then the TDMA is dividing the transmission time into frame, so each and every frame that containing the multiple time slots. Then as we are using a time based concept, so synchronization is an essential one for allocated the time slots. This is a working principle. The user 1 transmit the data during their time slot, as well as user 2 and user 3 transmitting the data on their respective time slots only. It divides the total time into discrete slots and each user assigning a specific slot. Then it take the users for accessing the channel, thereby eliminating simultaneously transmission conflicts between them. So it optimizes the channel effectively, which helps in increases the efficiency of the method. So user 1 transmits during its allocated time slot while remaining persons remain silent. While user 2 is transmitting, the same will happen, that ensuring no overlap with the other users. Similarly, for all the users present in the network doing the same. Second method is frequency division multiple access. So every user is assigning a specific frequency band and they are transmitting data over that particular frequency only. So there will be no overlapping of band. Makes the user does not interfere with each other's transmission. Transmission happening in form of a analog method. See, assignment helps the users to have different frequencies, allowing them to transmit the data in a simultaneous manner. So unlike TDMA, here there will be no time slot and synchronization will be required, and the implementation of this method is very simple. User 1 transmit on their dedicated frequency band, that will not affect by the other users. Similarly, for all the users present in the network, the same will be applicable, that enabling the simultaneous transmission. The third one is code division multiple access. So the previous two methods have some drawbacks. To overcome these drawbacks, we can using the code division multiple access. So each user has been assigned with one specific code. Then orthogonal codes has been used that don't interfere with the other users. Then rather using analog transmission, this method is implemented with the digital transmission of zeros and ones. So unique code has been assigned that allowing multiple transmission. Then with the help of spectrum technologies such as frequency hopping spectrum, direct sequence spectrum has been implemented across a wider bandwidth, that reducing the interference. Also, this CDMA helps in enhancing the security of the method. User 1's unique code is used to modulate their signal. So modulation is the process of combining the message with the carrier signal. So the carrier signal is having one the highest frequency range. Then the user 2 also has some unique code to modulate their signal. Similarly, for all the users have their separate codes. While user 1 transmits the data with their unique code that allows the data to be extracted as a receiver, that will not affect the user 2 and 3, while user 2 is transmitting the signal with another distinct code that enable simultaneous transmission with the other user also. Comparison of this method. So in case of time sharing, TDMA is using only the time slots, remaining method is not. So The frequency sharing is among FDMA only. It will not be applicable for TDMA and CDMA. Finally, there will be no code sharing for TDMA and FDMA. Only that CDMA is having the unique code concept. It is very good for high traffic. Then the implementation is very easy here and it is susceptible to interference. Then compared to the remaining two methods, is having a high capacity, security and a complex implementation.